Hello guys, how are you doing? How are you holding up? My goodness gracious. And we are now into hurricane season. 2022. It's gonna be a wild one, I got a feeling. You're seeing the situation in Eastern Europe blow up. Gas prices are going through the roof. Hello, here it's almost $5 a gallon in southeast Michigan. That's just for your regular gas, like a little Ford Fusion, which is what we have. The gas out in California is up around $10. Hello, no. That is when you take a big honking SUV, you turn into a lawn ornament, along with the gnomes. So, and for food prices, oh my god, they're going through the roof. So at this point, hurricane season, it's gonna be a hell of a ride, man. I am so glad I'm out of Florida. Holy moly. However, the trade-off is going to be that Michigan may be having brownouts or blackouts. I will do a video on those, okay? Now, hurricane season. Are you ready? I put this binder together because living in the north, we could have snowstorms that are brutal. Those of you who lived in Michigan in '78, you will remember the snowstorm that dumped enough snow that most houses were covered up to the first floor. So that is what we mainly prepare for here. Now, whether you prepare for earthquakes or and we've had earthquakes too. Just saying, people. I have these two documents just so you see. Where you put your information, you write it in. You put your other information here. And when shit hits the fan, with hurricane, usually people leave in a category 3 or 4 when it start, maybe we should grab the dog, the cat. Don't forget them and get the hell out of here. Because a lot of people that lived down in Homestead during Andrew, or lived in New Orleans during Katrina, they learned the hard way. When that category 3 plus comes in, you better get your shit and get out. Get out of the way. So, now comes food. There are interesting little 72-hour packs that you can pick up at stores. You can build them yourself. But the guy from Survival Living, he lives in Panama City. I'll leave you his link. He's put together some buckets. He's got a nice little bucket. It's expensive, but it's reflective of the bucket itself and everything in it. So, you might want to check him out. Check that out. I really don't have 72-hour food. For some reason is I'm not that crazy about some of it. I would rather, well, I know a storm is coming. I would rather have stuff on my shelf, such as, let me see, something like this here. You set up your butane burner, or even a grill. Pop the top, put it in the pan, there you go, there's dinner. I'd rather do that than have one of those bags. Because I ain't going nowhere. Mama ain't leaving. I'm not going nowhere. I'm here for the long haul, man. My home is my home. Home sweet home. Or home sweet health, depending on where you live. um, but if you have to leave, do you have somewhere you can go? Do you have family you could stay with? How far out of the target zone are you? These are things to think about. I mean, we're in summer. I'm already thinking about winter, to be honest with you. I'm already thinking, okay, what are we going to need for the winter? Now, as you probably see in the back, here, I have a kerosene lanterns. It's, you actually see the one up over my, next to the big blue bowl. I have several of those. They're not hard to set up, but I don't know if you'd want to do them in the case of a hurricane when you could have all kinds of chemicals out. That one definitely go with flashlights. And my cat is circling back around. Now, yes, I'm getting to it. Do you have preparedness plans for your little four-legged children? Yeah, see, that's what she's trying to get me to do. Do you have plans for them too? Do you have somewhere that they could go along with you? I have a cousin that is allergic to all animals. All of them, even dogs. So, going to her house would not be an option. Because we wouldn't be able to take them. But that's something you need to think about. You have enough food and water for them. Do you have the vet information handy? Put it in that binder. This video has gone on longer than I had planned because of a cat intruding. I'll be damned if I delete it again because I've pretty much covered all my base points here this time. So, I will leave you a link to survival preparedness, to the ready.gov site with the hurricanes, and know that they do have like a whole variety of things that you can look at. Alright, I'll see you later.